Yes, sir.
The graph one I will not give you in exam
Why,
because
sir? The graph one is the easy. I think the graph one is the easiest, sir, and it will be better. I think so.
Sir, no need to take
Sir, then
give graph, sir, please.
yeah, why I don't want to give, because we only did one graph, okay, and actually we started it now in class 9. We started, we don't give it in exam, and in class 10 we give in exam. Is it clear?
okay, sir. Then I have another thing,
Yeah,
sir. Sir,
yeah.
please don't give that explanations, that huge explanations, and like the
That
type of
means
explanations that we cannot
planning. That
type.
is planning and investigation one.
Yes, sir. Yeah, I'm requesting you, sir. Please.
Not to give planning and investigation. Just small answer, that one, right? You need.
Yes, sir. No. Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. No problem. I will not give you planning and investigation also. We will only give you the simple one, okay? Don't worry.
So when is our exam,
Yes,
sir?
sir.
Lab.
Lab exam routine you will get. This time it will not be earlier. We understand that it will not be earlier. It will be in between some
ল্যাব
exams.
এক্সাম হবে?
You did not get any notice.
No, sir.
Lab exam will be online. The labs we are doing in our online classes, that is P4. Okay, those we will give you. We had planned to hold the practical also, but for the situation now, COVID situation is not now good, right? And government also increased the time for educational institute till 19th of December, right? Isn't it? Do you know
Yes,
that?
sir.
Yes, sir. Yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
sir.
Yeah, so in this condition, and every day the number of deaths, number of infections are increasing, right? So in this situation, we cannot go to school and practice lab. That's why we are going for alternating. Anyway, we were discussing topic 11 and 12 in the last three classes, and also last week Thursday class. We had revision. Huh? We had revision on this topic. So we want more revision on this topic 11 and 12, because you did it at the beginning, right? 11 and 12 you did at the beginning of the term, right? Hello.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
And you might forget some of the things from there. That's why we are continuing this, okay? And light and general web properties you did few days back. That's why those are fresh in your mind, right? Isn't it? Hello. And
Yes,
in
sir. It is
light,
fresh,
yeah,
but we are still a bit confused in some cases.
yeah. We will also have some revision on light. In next week we will have revision on light. And you wanted to take the structured part question test on light this week. This week is over. Uh, if we take it on Sunday, is it fine for you? Structured part
Sir,
of light.
impossible.
Sundays.
Sir, impossible, sir. Sir,
Impossible.
chemistry, sir. Sir, chemistry, electricity and chemistry, sir. CD4, sir.
Okay, so you can have two tests a single day, right?
No, sir. Chemistry chemistry is in a package, sir. 3 in 1.
So what you want? You want it on Monday?
Yeah, Monday is okay, sir.
Monday we have two lessons, right? So which
Yes.
lesson you want? Fourth lesson or sixth lesson?
6th lesson.
Sixth lesson you want. Okay. Fine. Then Monday, sixth lesson, you will have structured uh, structured part test on light, and that test name is 4A. We already had four tests, right? Hello,
Yes.
we
Yes,
already
sir.
had four tests, so this one will be test 4A, and it is revision test. Okay, as we are doing it in revision week, this will be one
Yes,
sort
sir.
of revision test. Okay, and if your score is good in this test, like before one, the one you did in MCQ one, then it will
Hmm.
also be selected as your test average. Okay, if it is not good, then I will not pick. Will it be fine?
Yes,
Hello.
sir. Sure. Yes,
Okay,
sir.
then
Sure.
okay. Now, uh, in last class, uh, please, everyone who did not attend the last class, please go through the recording I uploaded. We discussed many important things in last class about evaporation, right? Isn't it? And the evaporation
Yes, sir.
completely we discussed in last class. We had the difference between evaporation and boiling. We had definition of evaporation. Then we had factors affecting evaporation. Then we got also consequences of evaporation, right? Isn't it? All these things are
Yes, sir.
available in your group, also in recording. The snapshot image also is sent in the group what we discussed. Please go through. Huh? Now today we will discuss some of the things related to molecular behavior, right? With the temperature increase, how the molecules are behaving. Okay, and that is related to pressure and volume, isn't it? Hello,
Yes, sir.
pressure, volume, then kinetic energy. All these things are related to molecular behavior with the temperature. Okay. So, question number three. Look, that one is related to molecules movement, molecular movement.
So this is from which topic, sir?
This is from topic 12. That is, uh, you have two topics: thermal properties of matter. Then another one,
Another, then sir, thermal something,
thermal something,
or
kinetic model of matter, right?
oh, that's a kinetic model of matter. Yes, sir.
So you have 11 and 12, right? Now 11
Yes,
is
sir.
done. 11 we already discussed in last few classes. We had discussion on specific heat capacity, then specific latent heat, right? Then melting, boiling, evaporation, all these things are done, right? Hello.
Yes,
Now,
sir. Yeah.
now we are discussing related to kinetic model of matter, where we are having the uh, features or the behaviors of molecules with the temperature increase. Okay, let us go with question number three first. Question number three. Can you read, please? Muhammad Zawad. Zawad.
Sir, Kaziawad, sir.
Yeah, Kazi Zawad. Yeah, Kazi.
Yes, sir, really.
Yeah, question number three, please.
What increases when a liquid becomes a gas at its boiling point?
What increases
What
when a
increases when
liquid
a liquid
becomes a
becomes
gas at its boiling point?
sir, it's C, I think. But you told, like one time I told A, that time you told it will be C. That's why.
That one is that one you can remember, but can you remember the explanation? Why it will be C is appropriate,
No,
not
sir, I
A?
forgot that one. Because the sir, like as the boiling point increases, the kinetic energy increases, and the space between the molecules also increases.
So both are actually true, huh? But which one is more appropriate in this context? We brought one idea: sealed container and open container. Can you remember?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So
Yes, sir.
when you are boiling something, you don't keep the container sealed. You open the container, right? Keep the container open, and that time molecules get space to move forward, right? Go further apart, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then we have increase in molecular spacing. But if the container is sealed, okay, then that time you'll get this one. Like if it is sealed container, your volume is constant, right? Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So if your volume
Mm.
is constant, that time we will have this average kinetic energy of the molecules increases. So I'm writing here, here this one is the answer, and why it is container open, huh? Container open. And this one, why? Not because it only happens if container is sealed and volume is fixed, right? Is it clear?
Yes,
Hello.
sir.
So
Yes, sir.
other than this, we have Bangladesh and Dhaka. Do you have any confusion with Bangladesh and Dhaka, that why Bangladesh and Dhaka we are not using? Yeah,
No, sir. Sir, I have another question, sir.
sure, sure.
Like this type of question here is not mentioned that the container is open, the open or sealed. Then how will which
Yeah,
one will we consider?
very good question. I liked your question, and this type of questioning is very much beneficial for the other students also. Look here, they mentioned it. It's boiling point, right? Isn't
Yes,
it?
sir.
And they
Yeah.
are also saying you becomes a gas, isn't it? Becomes a
Yes, sir.
gas, uh, needs to get the liquid vaporized, right? Escape from the
Yes, sir.
liquid layer, liquid surface, or from the liquid. So if you want to have that, then you should keep your container open, right? Otherwise you will
Yes, sir.
return to the container again, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Now it's clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you so much for your questioning. Yeah, already you have sent in the group.
Oh no, sir. I
Okay,
haven't,
do
sir.
it,
Actually, I'm
please.
using a mobile.
Quickly do it.
1 second, sir. Yes, sir.
Do it quickly, please. What about others? You have any questions, you can ask me. Nubrat, Shafkat, Faiza, Farabi, Adnan Rahim. If you have any questions, you can ask me. So, have you written in your copy that we are now discussing worksheet on topic 11 and 12, and MCQ 3 we discussed, and please write this information why the answer is C, because the container is open, right? So do it, everyone, please take the notes, write today's date, and write this is revision work is going on, and take the notes. It will be very much helpful for you if you write. That's your own work. When you will do revision, then it will help you a lot. Now question 1. Kazi, continue question 1.
Question one, sir. Some gas is trapped in a closed container. The gas is cooled and the volume of the container keep constant. What happens to the gas molecules?
Yeah.
Uh, gas is tablet cosmetic gas is cooled and the vulnerable. Also, sir, they move more slowly. The answer. Easy.
Yes. What about others? You have the same answer?
Sir, if it was heated, then it would be A, I think.
Mm-hmm.
Like like sir, if the gas was heated, then it would be A.
Yeah,
They
yeah,
collide with walls
yeah,
more often.
yeah, yeah. Very good, very good. So this is called understanding. Very good understanding. What about others? You agree with Zawad, Kazi Zawad? Your answer
Yes,
is
sir.
also
I
Dhaka.
agree.
Yeah, your answer is also.
Sir, I
Look here,
agree,
Yes,
but
sir, Dhaka.
you see, is
but sir,
closed container, right?
yes, sir.
So if it is closed container, hmm, then it will they move more faster. It can be also answer, right? And the one Kazi said that could
Hmm.
be also answer, isn't it?
Yes, sir, I do.
Yeah. Now your question, Mohammad Saad, please. Your question is helping us a lot.
So they get closer together, sir. Why?
Yeah,
Like what?
yeah. Very good question. Very good question. Look, in a container, in a fixed volume container, this is about gas molecules, right?
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? So gas
Yeah.
molecules they have their motion always random. Yeah. And in a fixed volume container, even in normal temperature, uh, they are they are actually moving randomly, right? Until and unless they are becoming liquid, they always move and move, right? So uh, it
Yes, sir.
is it is happening, that their kinetic energy is decreasing, but their movement among themselves or their
Yeah.
distance are still same, right? Uh, that's
Yes,
why
sir.
we are not taking C as appropriate answer. D is more appropriate answer. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And said, if it is said that volume is decreased, hmm, volume is decreased, then it could be the answer of C. Okay.
Yeah.
Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
uh, Getting closer is related to the volume, and in our last question you saw that they are moving farther apart. That means opposite of getting closer. That means there is bigger volume they are getting, right? That's
Yes,
why
sir.
they are moving far apart. So getting closer or moving farther apart is related to volume, right? Is it clear now? So
Yes, sir.
so you also write this note. I am writing here. uh, you Your questioning is really helping all of us. You see here, the answer is they move more slowly. And what Kazizawa said, that one we are adding here. If temperature increases, that could be the answer. Okay. Then where it will be the answer? To get closer together, where it will be the answer if volume decreases. Okay. So we are writing all this here. Now you can have the snap in our group.
Yes, sir.
If you are only going through the group images, that will be also a good revision for you, right? For final exam, for your half yearly exams. Won't it be? You see, in our last week, we gave lots of solutions over there. Please go through. Lots of informations are there. So try them, all of you who missed the classes. Now, you sent it, right, Mohammed Saad?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then we can go to the next question. Hmm, yeah, this one is related to thermal expansion, right? Question number 4.
Yes, sir.
So, can Adnan Rahim, hello Adnan Rahim,
Yes, sir.
could you please read question 4?
Yes, sir. A metal lid fits tightly on a glass jar. Which process makes it easier to remove the lid from the jar? Sir, warm the lid.
Warm the lid only. Okay, very good. This one is very easy question, right?
Yes, sir.
Very easy
But
question.
one
So,
of the most confusion questions, sir.
confusion question. Why confusion question, Mohammed Saad?
Sir, if we are heating the lid,
Mm-hmm.
it's expanding,
Mm-hmm.
and sir, where it is expanding, and it should be like more get more tighter to the glass jar.
It is expanding. It's becoming wider, right? So if something is
Uh,
wider outside and lid is outside of the uh,
oh, lid is
open,
outside.
so
Yeah, then it's
yeah, always you don't see the all the lids. Like if you take one, even the uh, drinking water bottle you are buying, right? That
yes,
one
sir.
like mom water bottle. That one the lid is outside, isn't it? That way you think.
Yeah,
It's very simple idea, right? Okay, now question number 6. Al Farabi. No, Al Farabi. Al Farabi.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Al Farabi. Please read question 6.
sir.
Tell us.
That one was
The
question number 4, right, sir?
Yeah,
winner of constant.
let him do. Let him do. Question number 6.
Okay, sir.
Yeah,
A
read.
glass is in a closed container of constant volume. What happens to the molecules of the glass?
Yeah, very nice question. Like before, we have the relationship of this question with question 3, right? Same question, right?
Yes, sir.
Question 3, question 1, you have the link with them. Okay, so what should be your answer? They are saying container has constant volume. That means it is sealed, right?
Yes, sir.
So if it is sealed, already you got the information. I told you. What will be the answer?
Yes, sir. They move faster, sir.
They
See.
move faster because they have more kinetic energy, right? Isn't
Yes,
it?
sir.
Yeah. Farabi, you understood? So then when will be the answer, Dhaka?
So Dhaka when the container is open, sir.
Container is open. So if I make you the question in a way, in a half yearly, you can answer, right? If I twist the question,
Yes, sir.
okay, just remember it, okay?
Yes, sir.
So send it to the group, this one. We are
So the
done till
previous one was not sent.
the previous one, very easy. That's why we did not send that one. Do we need to send?
No, sir. I don't.
It's very simple question. That's why we are actually doing with the confusing one more. So that's all about. I think that the discussions we had from there, you had all the ideas about the molecules, structure, molecular behavior with temperature, if the volume is constant, if the volume is not constant. So we had a good revision on thermal physics. On Sunday we will continue the revision on waves. Okay, so please be
Okay.
present everyone, and you gather your
Yes,
all
sir.
the confusions, please. You have any questions, you have any confusions, you have any doubts, you have any appeal, everything, everything, please, you gather with us. Okay, thank you so much everyone, huh? Allah Hafiz. Allah
Allah Hafiz,
Hafiz.
assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam.